Hi, today I will show you how to install Hyper-V in Windows 7 or Windows 10 because by default Windows Hyper-V not showing in Windows 10. For that you have to go to add and remove, or you can use apps command. Just click appwiz.cpn, then click OK. Then go to turn Windows feature on or off. Here select Hyper-V, click OK. It will take 2 minutes time to install. So once it will install, it will ask for a laptop restart. Just restart the laptop. So here I will not restart the laptop. So once it will restart the laptop, go to start and type Hyper-V. So here you can create a new virtual machine, new virtual hard disk, etc. etc. Thank you.